Hi guys, Townsley here. All right, we got fractions to decimals. All right, let's look at fractions to decimals. They're both baby numbers, which we love. All right, um, there we go. So if you have a fraction and if you have 1/10, and if they ask you or your teacher asks you to go ahead and convert it into a decimal, you want to think 1 divided by 10. You could think 1 divided by 10, or you could think 1/10. 1/10. Okay? So it's 1 part of 10. You can even look at it like a Kit Kat box. And you could make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces, and you have one of those 10 pieces shaded in. Therefore, you have 1/10 of the candy bar. Okay? Or you can always think about it like 1 divided by 10. Just read it top to bottom. 1 divided by 10. Okay? And if you went ahead and you put this in your calculator, you would automatically get 0.1 or 1/10 over here. Or if you would divide this out, obviously 10 cannot go into 1, so you want to make a 0.0. All right. 10 goes into 10 one time. Okay? All right, either way, that is one way to look at fractions to decimals. Okay, let's do another one. Say you have 3/10. You have 3 parts of 10, right? This is like number 2. Okay, so here we go. Number 2, 3/10. So you have 3 parts. Now you have 1, 2, 3 parts of 10, or 3 divided by 10, which as a decimal would be 3/10, because this is the tenths place. That's the tenths place. Now, a little different is, what if you had 3/100ths? What if you had 3/100ths, or 3 parts of 100? Okay, that would be 0.03. All right, because you have no tenths. You have no tenths. There's nothing there. Nothing. Okay, there's nothing there. You have nothing there in the tenths, but you have 3/100ths. This is the hundredths place. Okay, so you have 3/100ths. All right, next one, number 3. Say you have a fraction and you have 6/10. All right, so as a decimal, that would be 0.6 or 6/10, because that's the tenths place. Okay, all right. Or you would go back up to this candy bar and you would have 6 pieces colored in out of 10 total. Okay, so you have 6/10 or 6/10. It's when you say it, it's the same. So when you say this fraction, you say 6/10, or if you say this decimal, you say 6/10. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit on fractions to decimals. Okay, go ahead and keep working hard. You guys are doing great. See ya. Bye.